Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today it's kind of a frustrating kind of code. Okay, I'm so excited to do it. I haven't done it before. I had just copied this question from Codecademy. Okay, so let's read the function. I have not known the function properly. I mean code properly. So it says write a function named as largest n with a one parameter and find the largest of nth digit. Like if n is equals to, it should return 99. Okay, I understand. And here it says that 5. Okay, I understood. Okay, it says that define a function named as largest number and take n as a parameter. Okay, so if n equals 2, what can we do? Okay, let's do like digit equals 9. So I will my logic behind this, because I want to do 9 times n, that means digit times n. I'll show you. And largest value equals digit into n, and we have to not nothing, so we have to change largest value. Okay, largest equals int largest value, and we have to return large. So let's check. Okay, it says nothing. Okay, it says that remove the comment mark in the below line to check the answer. Guys, if you haven't did, please go and do it. What are you saying? The link is given in the description box below. Okay, it says assertion error. Okay, 12 line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's good. Oh, 10. Okay, 10. Okay, let me do it like this. Now it may show me the okay, so it's kind of good thing. Okay, let's do what if nothing here. Now we have to do it. Okay, let's do like a return int of that largest value. What if we do this? Okay, it says me literal for int with base 10. That means I have to just do little bit of tricky here. Digit into n. Okay, what if I give here the largest n and I pass here 2? What will it return me? It will return me nothing, so let's just close this value and just run it. It's not jump right into this assertion, but let's try to do so. Okay, it will return me, so it should be here int. If here it will be int, what will be printed? 99. It's good. So in line 7 and 12, and 7 and in 12. Okay, here it says 2. equals 99. I think it was a kind of assertion error. So this assertion was made by me, so it was error, I think. Okay, so you see our code is correct here. Okay, you can see here your code is correct. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. And what this function do is, how many times you put n, let's suppose that n equals 5, it will print me 9 5 times. Okay, this was the exercise number 6. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your coder friend and your families, and I'll meet you in the next one.